County Nyamira gikone to Gavana County Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ofungore bang' Doho opuodho yiero mare. Nyaribo noringo kod otiko mar UPA e riwruok mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance e yiero maduong' mokalo. Noyudo ombulu 81,980 mane omiye loch bang' piem mapek kod Walter Nyambati mane oyudo ombulu 49,339 e debe. Dennis Ayiera ma en jago ombulu e County Nyamira nochwalo ng'ure Doho kowacho ni Nyaribo ok ne oyiere yo makare. Ayiera ne lieko ni agents moko mag jo UDA ne olewo yawo ne gidonjo kuonde mane kwane ombulu e kind ketho mamoko kata kamano. Doho opuodho Nyaribo kendo lero ni onge ranyisi moromo ni ne oketho chike mag yiero. Doho medo ni agents mag UDA bende ne ok ogeng'negi donjo e centers mag kwalo ombulu.
Tainted by irregularities or malpractices. However, the totality of those anomalies do not substantially affect the numbers or the outcome of the poll. From the partial scrutiny and recount of votes in some of the disputed polling stations, the first respondent's lead remained unassailable. The gubernatorial election for Nyamira held on the 9th of August 2022 was substantially conducted in accordance with the Constitution, the Elections Act, and on a preponderance of the evidence and the authorities, the first and second respondents were validly elected as the governor and deputy governor for Nyamira County.
Tuko na furaha sana kwa sababu Jaji Kanyi Kimondo ametoa uamuzi wa kipekee. Kwa sababu gani? Wananchi wa Nyamira walienda katika kura mnamo tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. Wakachagua Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo kwa haki na ukweli. Na hivi leo imethibitishwa kwamba Amos Nyaribo alichaguliwa kwa njia ya haki na ya ukweli.
Niko na imani na demokrasia ya nchi yetu. Inaamini usipokuwa umeridhika unaenda katika mahakama zetu kudhibiti ukweli, na huo ndio ukweli, na tunaheshimu ile decision ya koti ambayo imetoa kulingana na zile kesi zilikuwa pale.